My name is Sonny. I'm a hardware engineer. I do prototyping of a variety of equipment for use in production of electronic devices. So it's a lot of test equipment, assembly line test fixtures. Many of the devices that I work on involve optical or acoustic features, so I build precision fixtures for testing that as well. So CraftLaser is well known among Singapore makers, and it was another Singapore-based maker recommended the CraftLaser to me. And I reached out to Kiwi and he gave us a good demo and I was immediately convinced, so that's how I got it. The CraftLaser has been a reliable, crucial tool in my workshop. I can very quickly with that produce whatever cutouts. Acrylic is the main material that I use, but also wood, paper have been used in some of the work that I've done. The software is easy to use, and so it's like my main design tool is SolidWorks, and I can usually just take the DXF files directly out of SolidWorks and with like a few minutes of post-processing arrange the cuts on a laser and get that going in no time. As you can see right here, I have the laser sitting on my workbench. It's not always there, but when it's not in use, I can just take it off and wheel it off in a corner, leaving the workbench free for other purposes. I've always been impressed with the LionsForge team. Great people, impeccable quality and service. Machine, of course, is a testament to that. It's extremely reliable, extremely well built, so there's almost never any issues with it, but a couple of times there have been some small things that needed adjustment, and within a day, typically just a few hours after I reach out with an issue, there'll be someone here from LionsForge and helping me fix it. So no complaint, absolutely fantastic service.